things is a quiet sunset in the jungle where you can't hear any cars or motorbikes or anything. Just sounds of the birds, the insects. Kind of reminds you of being a kid playing outside. Driving through the jungle here, about 5 minutes out. These roads are just such an experience to drive on these, because they're literally in the middle of the jungle. You feel like you're in the middle of nowhere, but there's still some cars and traffic here and there. To the right and left of me, there are rocks, big hills, mountains. Not sure what to call those, but such a dense, huge pothole. Really lucky I missed that. Yeah, such a dense jungle here. You can really see how the light has gone down. Okay, these roads are not as well maintained as I was making them out to be. But fair enough, we're in the middle of the jungle.